Hi, hello, this is PGR and you're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. Today we're gonna cook dal, a vegetarian curry. So let's look at the preparation method. I've already cooked the dal separately in a pressure cooker and I've kept it aside, so we're gonna use that later. I've taken 100 grams of Toor dal or broken pigeon peas and I have pressure cooked it without adding salt or any ingredients to it. I've added only 3 cups of water to it and I have pressure cooked and kept aside. I have preheated the pan and I'm going to add 50 ml of oil to it. I'm using 5 grams of butter. Once the butter is melted, we'll add mustard. We're going to cook this on low flame so that we don't burn these ingredients. Allow the mustard to splatter. Half a teaspoon of cumin seed. 1 strip of curry leaves. I've taken around 15 to 20 garlic cloves and I have chopped it fine, so I'm going to use that now. At this point you can increase the flame. Once the garlic starts to turn light and brown in color, I've taken 1 medium-sized onion, finely chopped. Once the onions are fried to glossy, add 7 to 8 numbers of red chili. Now this is of your choice. In case you are okay with green chilies, you can use green chilies. I'm using red chilies in my case. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of hing or asafoetida, salt to taste, now add the dal that is cooked and kept aside. I'm going to add the dal water, that is what we extracted from boiling the dal. I'm adding an extra cup of water. Now once you mix it well, now increase the flame and allow it to come to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, mix it well and turn off the stove. And at this point of time, we're going to add the remaining butter. So out of 10 grams of butter, I've used 5 grams of butter earlier. Now I'm going to use another 5 grams of butter. And once you add the butter, mix it well. This can be served with any flatbreads, dosa, idli, or even rice. So hope you enjoyed my video, and in case you missed out the ingredients, please do find the ingredients and the method in the description below. Thank you for watching.